Yo, what's up mga ka-JD? Welcome back to my channel. And it's me, Joseph Danias. And welcome po dito sa aking Joseph Danias Vlogs. Very good. So, nandito tayo sa may San Lorenzo Ruiz. At magsisimula po natin ang ating event natin ng Acquaintance Party 2023. I'm a second year in a row for Acquaintance Party. Noong nakaraang taon, nandun tayo sa Philly. And ngayon, nandito tayo sa San Lorenzo Ruiz. Pangalawa na ako naging Acquaintance Party. So, magsisimula natin aking vlog and...
Cut!
Pa! Shoutout sa inyo lahat and magsisimula natin. Let's go! So mga ka-JD, maraming taong-tao dito dyan sa may San Lorenzo Ruiz. Preparing your partners muna kasi maraming mask dito. Yung maraming walang mask. Actually, hindi siya COVID-19 At alam natin na minsan maraming mga tao dito. At sisimulan natin ang ating acquaintance party ngayong araw na to. And actually, so shoutout. So guys, meron naman tayo dito. Ayan, prepare muna yung nasa loob. Ayan. Yan, ganda ng stage. Ganda pa rin ng stage. Ganda ng stage. So, practice muna tayo at simulan natin yan. Let's go!
I would like to apologize to all of you. Wala kay ko kagahin og panahon just to meet you during the early start of the school year. It's because of my hectic schedule also of attending other matters with other branches. I would like to inform everyone, especially the grade 11 students and the freshman college, that we have branches, or I may say, our school is not in ITC Bayugan alone, but we have also our sister schools, I may say branch schools in San Francisco, in Davao Oriental, in Mako, Davao de Oro, in Maragusan, Davao de Oro, and we also have in La Paz MCA School. Dili na Marcelino C. Anino, kundi Mindanao Christian Academy. I just assumed that just last year. So they are part of ITC group schools.
ka-JD, nagdi-dinner din silang mga estudyante from ITC's grade 11, grade 12, and college. So, it's time for our dinner and congratulations po sa lahat ng mga winners sa Acquaintance 2023. Mr. and Miss Acquaintance 2023. Sana all, sana all. Shout out Tatay! Hi Tay! Hi Tatay! Basta. Kain tayo! Kain tayo! Sir Marcelino! Marcelino Adino! Very good, very good. Hi ma'am! Hi ma'am! Hi ma'am! Very good. So mga ka-JD, ang ating dinner for tonight ay walang iba kundi ang wow! Sana all! May chicken joy, may apritada at saka may kanin. So dinner muna tayo at bubusugin natin yung mga kinakanin natin, no? At syempre pala, maraming palang mga tao dito. Bigyan sila ng iba't ibang mga pack lunch para sa ating dinner. Line up na sila. Line up na sila. Okay lang kayo? Okay lang. Okay lang. Ay! Laglag! Hi! Ma'am, happy Teacher's Day po! Happy Teacher's Day! Sa lahat ng teachers, happy Teacher's Day! Hi, Teacher's Day! Happy Teacher's Day! Ma'am, Alaysa, wag ka nang umiyak! Wag ka naman umiyak! Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am! Ito na picture, oh! Happy Teacher's Day po! Happy Teacher's Day! Happy Teacher's Day! Oy, happy Teacher's Day! Naiyak ka? Naiyak ka? Ikaw, ma'am, ikaw, naiyak ka ba? Iyak ka lang. Eto, mas maiyak dito sa ITC. Oo, naiyak siya. Tears of joy. Teacher's Day time. Si Dr. Wilson. Happy Teacher's Day. Sir, Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Yan. So mga ka-JD, kakatapos lang natin ang acquaintance party and susunod naman yung ating home party. Nandun yan sa likod, sa Annex Building. Medyo malapit na dito sa San Lorenzo and parang 11 meters. Malapit doon. Maglalakad muna kami at home party muna tayo. So, enjoy lang natin dito sa aking vlog and ang ganda natin yung flowers, yung mga ilaws, yung mga decorations, lahat. Sila yung mga picture natin. Very good. So, pumunta tayo ng Annex Building kasi party na tayo. Let's go with the party! So mga ka-JD, nandito ako ngayon sa may Annex Building, ITC Building, and mamaya magsisimula na natin ang ating foam party natin. Yan, nag-prepare din sila yung mga Garcel lights and sounds namin. And also pala ng mga guitarist, nag-prepare din pala. Ay! Welcome! Nag-enjoy ba? Joseph Danias Vlogs. Yan. Oy, nag-enjoy ka ba sa acquaintance party? Nag-enjoy? Aray! Malapit na yung nalaglag ka. Ikaw, ma'am.
Huwag sa mukha ko, baka ma-inlove yung viewers mo.
Tama ka na. Kumusta yung yung acquaintance party kanina?
Okay lang.
Happy kayo?
Yes.
Happy. Ito ba minimiss you? Ayun. Oo, very good. Shout out to Murata. Happy. Acquaintance party sa ating lahat. Di ba naalala ko yung feeling natin dito sa acquaintance party dito. 1 year ago, December?
Yes. Nakapit ka to?
Oo. Android pa lang na t-shirt namin eh. John, salamat John sa mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Bye-bye. lang po ng aking vlog ng Acquaintance and Foam Party 2023. At sana na-enjoy din kayo sa aking vlog ng Acquaintance and Foam Party. Masayang masaya talaga ng ating lahat ng mga estudyante sa ITC. At basang-basa silang lahat kasi may foam party na may bubbles pa. So, thank you so much mga ka-JD, and road to 1K na po tayo. Thank you so much to ITC's School President Marcelino C. Anino and the rest of teachers from ITC, faculty and staff, and also Happy Teachers Day po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po. At makita-kita po muli tayo sa susunod ng aking vlog and gameplays. Thanks for watching mga ka-JD. Peace. Shout out po pala sa guys dyan. Love you all. Bye!